Do you know what are mudras and what are the types of mudras, when and how to use them? If you haven't watched my 7-day mudra series videos, I'm leaving the link below in the description and caption. Please watch the 7-day mudra series after this video. Now we will dive into what are mudras. Mudras are energy gestures where you can seal the energy and change the direction of energy from outward to inward for the benefit of different parts of the body. For example, let's take a car. If you steer the wheel of the car, the direction of the car will be changed, right? In the same manner, when you change the direction of the energy, it can be used for the beneficial of our higher levels of the body, especially the brain parts of the body. Mudras are of three types. It can be done with the eyes, it can be done with the body, and it can be done with the hands. Widely, mudras with hands, hasta mudras, are popular, and we generally use hasta mudras in meditation and pranayama practices. Before we understand the depth of mudras, we have to understand the 5 elements of the universe. The 5 elements of the universe is air, fire, space, earth, and water. In yogic culture, those 5 elements are represented by our 5 fingers. Thumb finger represents the fire, index finger represents the air, middle finger represents the space, ring finger represents the earth, and little finger represents the water. So when we are making certain energy gestures with these fingers, we are balancing those elements. Imbalance of these elements in our body can cause stress, anxiety, depression, and you can label so many things. Because our body is composition of these 5 elements. Water, our body is composed of 70% water, 12% earth, 4% fire, 6% space, and 4% air. For these reasons, for balancing these 5 elements, we can use the mudras. Now you might have a question, do I need to use the mudras as a standalone practice, or should I incorporate mudras into my breathing practices and meditation practices? You can practice mudras in both ways, as a standalone practice, and also you can incorporate in conscious breathing techniques, pranayama, and meditation practices. So in this video, I will demonstrate Brahma Mudra, which can be used as a meditation practice. You will keep your palms open and place it gently on the thighs. And you can stay there for 5 to 10 minutes. Brahma Mudra is the mudra receptive to universal energy. Focus on your breath while you are holding the Brahma Mudra. Close your eyes and stay there for 5 to 10 minutes. Please subscribe to our channel for more powerful holistic health insights. Thank you so much.